While mainstream headlines focus on mega caps, true wealth is often built by spotting undervalued disruptors before they become household names. Today, I'm diving deep into 5 high-conviction tech plays, all trading for under $10, that show immense upside for 2026. Don't go anywhere. At the video's end, I'll present a critical data breakdown revealing each stock's unique financial advantages. First up, we have Marqeta Inc., ticker MQ, a trailblazer in digital payment technology with a modern card issuing platform. Marqeta provides the API-first infrastructure and tools for building configurable payment cards, driving innovation in fintech. Despite recent analyst downgrades from Mizuho and Wolf Research, citing headwinds like Cash App's issuance diversification, Marqeta demonstrates significant resilience. The company reported Q3 2025 revenue of $163 million, a robust 28% year-over-year increase, beating adjusted EPS expectations. Their lending and buy now, pay later services saw an impressive 60% volume growth in Q3 2025, while international expansion, especially in Europe, continues to deliver over 100% year-over-year TPV growth. With 34 hedge funds holding stakes and an analyst projected upside potential of over 35%, Marqeta's new $100 million share repurchase program underscores management's confidence, despite competitive pressures that could impact future take rates. Investors should monitor how Marqeta leverages its recent TransactPay acquisition to solidify its European presence against emerging rivals. Next on our list is Full Truck Alliance Company Limited, ticker YMM, China's dominant digital freight platform connecting shippers and truckers. Despite a recent stock pullback, YMM presents a compelling value proposition. Morgan Stanley reiterated an overweight rating with a $14 price target, projecting sustained 30% plus year-over-year growth in transaction commission revenue for 2026, alongside 13 to 17% order volume expansion. The company boasts impressive financial health, with a 61.31% gross margin and a cash-rich balance sheet. YMM trades at a forward PE of just 15.01 and a PEG ratio of 0.61, suggesting significant undervaluation. While JP Morgan expressed concerns about international expansion not translating into immediate growth, YMM's recently approved long-term capital return plan commits no less than 50% of non-generally accepted accounting principles adjusted net income to shareholders, with $400 million slated for fiscal 2026 in dividends and share repurchases. With 30 hedge funds holding and nearly 26% upside potential, YMM offers a unique play on China's vast logistics sector. Our third pick is ZoomInfo Technologies Inc., ticker GTM, a cloud-based powerhouse providing essential go-to-market intelligence for sales and marketing teams. ZoomInfo reported strong Q4 2025 earnings, beating revenue and EPS expectations with $319.1 million and $0.32 respectively. Despite a cautious market reaction, the company is making a strategic pivot towards higher-value enterprise customers, now comprising 74% of its business. ZoomInfo's financial fundamentals are robust, featuring 38% adjusted operating income margins and substantial free cash flow, fueling aggressive share repurchases, including an additional $1 billion authorized. The company is heavily investing in AI-driven innovation with platforms like GTM Studio and Copilot, which now accounts for over 20% of its total ACV after doubling in 2025. With a significant 55.3% upside potential and 39 hedge fund holders, management remains confident that their unique data moat and AI advancements will navigate market competition and drive sustained growth, making it a standout under $10 tech play. Next up, Sprinklr Inc., ticker CXM, an AI-native unified customer experience management platform. Sprinklr is navigating a crucial transition phase under CEO Rory Reid's leadership, evidenced by Q3 2025 earnings that surpassed expectations with $0.12 EPS and $219.1 million revenue, a 9% year-over-year increase. The company has raised its full-year revenue guidance, underpinned by strategic AI investments and enhancements to its contact center offerings. Sprinklr is actively working to reverse multi-year declines in renewal rates, showing early signs of stabilization through initiatives like Project Bear Hug, designed to deepen top customer engagement. Financially solid with $480.3 million in cash and zero debt, Sprinkler is seen by analysts like Citizens as an attractive acquisition target for tech giants, with a $17 price target representing over 127% upside from current levels. With 28 hedge funds backing it and over 41% upside potential, Sprinkler offers a compelling growth story in the massive $80 billion customer experience market. Finally, Payoneer Global Inc., ticker PAYO, a crucial cross-border payments platform specializing in small and medium-sized businesses, particularly in emerging markets. Payoneer is strategically shifting towards larger, higher-quality customers and expanding its B2B capabilities, yielding impressive results like a 27% growth in B2B revenue in Q3 2025. The company has significantly increased its average revenue per user by 65% since Q1 2023, now exceeding $470, with a robust $479 million in cash and customer funds reaching $7.1 billion. Payoneer has strategically hedged 52% of these funds, securing approximately $120 million in 2026 interest income. Recent wins include in-principle authorization from the Reserve Bank of India, expanding its reach into the world's most populous country, alongside the strategic acquisition of the EOR platform Boundless. Despite some macroeconomic headwinds and a slight earnings miss in Q3 2025, Payoneer raised its full-year 2025 revenue guidance and adjusted EBITDA outlook. With 42 hedge funds holding and 44.73% upside potential, Payoneer represents a powerful play on global digital commerce. Let's dive into the raw numbers and see how these 5 under $10 tech titans stack up side by side. The data really paints a picture of diverse opportunities. When we look at gross margin, Full Truck Alliance absolutely dominates with an astonishing 88.6%, indicating incredible operational efficiency and pricing power. ZoomInfo Technologies and Payoneer Global aren't far behind, both boasting gross margins in the mid-80s, highlighting their software-driven, asset-light business models. In contrast, Marqeta and Sprinkler, while still healthy at 70% and 68.7% respectively, sit on the lower end, suggesting their platforms might involve more direct transaction costs or service overhead. Now, turning to profitability, Full Truck Alliance stands out again with a solid EPS of 54 cents, demonstrating clear bottom-line strength. Sprinkler and ZoomInfo also show respectable positive earnings at 45 cents and 38 cents per share, underscoring their ability to translate revenue into profit. However, Payoneer, though positive, has a more modest EPS of 20 cents, reflecting its investment in growth. Marqeta, still in its growth phase, posts a negative EPS of minus 0.030, indicating current reinvestment over immediate profit, but its high gross margin suggests future profitability could be significant. Finally, for those seeking income, Full Truck Alliance is the only one on our list offering a dividend, a 1.7% yield, which is a rare find in high-growth tech under $10, signaling a commitment to shareholder returns. These are 5 potent tech stocks under $10, each with unique catalysts and significant upside potential for 2026. Which of these 5 tech innovators under $10 are you most bullish on for 2026? And why? Drop your insights, predictions, and even your own under-the-radar tech picks in the comments section below. And make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive financial insights, and don't miss our video right here on 6 undervalued stocks poised for breakout growth.